Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Bank of Philippines Islands, which is also known as BPI, which you are going to be needed for the secure and the hassle-free international money transfers. So in our first method, you will have to come here on bpi.com.ph. Once you are here, use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now simply just type SWIFT code here. If you are able to find any of the SWIFT code related articles, just simply select it and hit enter. So here, with the help of this article, you need to try to get your SWIFT code as per your country and as per your region. Now if this method doesn't work for you, you can just simply scroll down a bit here on this page. Over here, click on the option of contact us. Then you can try to contact to the BPI bank customer support team, and you will also get your SWIFT code with the help of them. You can just also log in into your personal banking account here, and after that, on your bank statements or inside your online banking, you will find the information about your SWIFT code. Now if all of these methods aren't working for you, you can just simply come here on bank.codes. So it is powered by Wise, with the help of which you can get the SWIFT code of any bank. So first of all, you will have to select your country, which in our case is Philippines. After that, you will have to select the bank, which in our case is the Philippine Island Bank. Then simply select your city and it is going to show you the SWIFT code. Now after selecting the SWIFT code, you can see a bunch of different information as well. You can use all of these details and get your money transfer done. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.